Well, looks like, what is it, January 9th?
Yeah.
We're out here at the Sawmill. Nice chilly morning, about upper 20s, but we were having a ball. Kent's leading the way up there, and I've got Kyle Wildman Miller behind me. And Chad, what's Chad's last name?
Chad Bartlett.
All right, he's picking up the rear. This is my first time riding with him.
Whoa!
Yeah, Kent's giving us a little scare there. This ridge is awesome. I think we've all been sitting on the couch all December. We just had to get out and stretch. Clear the mind.
Indeed. Yeah, the last time I was up here, there was a lot of evidence of people hunting deer.
Uh-oh.
So I stayed away for about a month and a half.
Yeah.
All right, we lost the orange bikes.
Oh, figures. It's par for the course.
My idle's too high.
I hear them.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one. There they are.
Yeah.
That's Kyle in front of me now.
Oh, yeah.
We used to bang bars back in the day. Oh, I see your hunting evidence back there.
Oh, yeah.
Big pile of corn cobs.
Yeah.
Is that a 250 or a 300 Kyle's riding?
I think it is a 250. It's either an SX or an XC.
Ah.
Yeah, he doesn't like the 300.
Really?
Yeah, and Kelvin has convinced him it's easier to detune an SX than it is to make either of the other two faster. And I'm like, that's bullshit, Kyle.
Had to get a little airtime on that one.
Oh, yeah.
The key word there was a little airtime.
A little. Tree finally fell on the ground. Good.
You can sleep better tonight.
I could use some sleep better.
You having tour of Idaho nightmares?
No, but I tell you, Putting on that underwear this morning kind of shook me up.
Oh.
Yeah, that ain't. Yeah, this is all kind of sketchy right here.
Yeah, it is.
All this shit. This kind of stuff, Kyle will try to come around you.
He can't come around me if he's in front of me. I'm denying him that.
Well, hey, then I need to be worried. Oh, wow. Huh. Damn.
I would like to go out to Saddleback and check out those new 600 acres.
Yeah, I'd like to do that sometime. Yeah, I wouldn't have blamed you today if you'd gone and done that instead of driving it down here.
They got to have 2,000 or 2,200 now.
Well, I asked Jess Hamner about mapping it,
Yeah.
and he just kindly said no.
Is he a member?
I guess. I don't know.
I don't know if he's or not.
He acted like they've already got it mapped and that there's some kind of thing that they can all log into and see or something.
Oh, I see.
I'm like, okay, all right. I don't work directly with him that much, but from time to time he comes into the loop when I'm doing stuff with Louisville.
That's cool. Ooh.
Should have called Bo Shoemaker. I mean, should have let him know we were going today.
Yeah.
I keep finding 250F parts, and I know they'll fit that WR he's got, that WRR, and so I got this little box of stuff that's getting bigger and bigger.
So do you not have one anymore, or Philip?
No,
I thought you still had one for Philip.
No, I just got two strokes.
I see.
He didn't care for much of that at first, but now he does. Of course, I guess he hadn't been on a bike for over a year, so. I can't tell if he's gonna come back to Kentucky or stay in Georgia. So. He was a temporary, driving that, I guess you call it a forklift. It's the strangest looking thing I've ever seen. But they just hired him full time, and
good for him.
But he's now back into looking for jobs in his field.
Yeah.
And I think mentally, and now that he's been on meds and therapy and all that, I think he